Hello children. Today I will teach you how to count 1 to 10. But it is better if you already know 1 to 10, okay? We will place 1 here and 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Remember, this is 4. You write 5 like this. This is number 6. All of them are numbers. Number 7, 8, 9, 10. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, you cannot call 11 as 10-1. So 11 is like this. 11 looks like this. And then 12, you cannot call 12 as 2-10 because later on you are in 20. And this is 13. And this is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we will not write again the 21 because we will focus on 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we go here. You have to remember the 10, 20. Next to 20 is 30. Just like you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 is here. We have 1 0. Then 2, we have 1 0. But this is 20. 30. 1, 2, 3. But beside them has 0. 1 0. So we call them 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then you have now 100. This 11 we cannot call it as 1 and the whole number 10. We cannot call this also as 2 and 10. They are special, 11, 12, and 13, because when you are in 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, just like in 30, 31, 32, 33, just like in 40, 41, 42, 43, just like in 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. In 60, you have 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and so on. And so with 70, 80, 90. Oh, you have to Remember that, okay? So we have to give example for addition. The video is sometimes blurry. Just like this. Now, if you cannot remember the counting 1 to 10, just do this. You put one line. One line is 1. If you put another one line, that means the 2 line is already 1, 2. This is 2. If you put another 1, there are 3 already. 1, 2, 3, and this is 3. If you put another one line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 4. If we put like this is another line. The total of this is 5. Okay. we will give example for this. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So this is addition. The addition is all sometimes with the subtraction, because if you move one number to one side, meaning you are doing a subtraction later, just like this. This one is positive 2. So if you put the positive 2 here, you change the sign of the number 2. So it will be shown like this. 2 equals 4. You change the sign of the number 2, the positive will become negative. 4 minus 2 equals 2. This is the equation sometimes explained in mathematics. So you better check in your booklets if this is happening in your books. Okay? Oh, just do it and count 1 to 10, 11, 12 to 20, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So you can count 1 to 100 already. Okay, thank you for watching, children. Bye-bye for the street calculator. Thank you.